Join us at St. Philip's and James School, where faith, excellence, and innovation meet. At St. Philip and James School, we are committed to nurturing the whole child through a structured, value-centered education rooted in the Catholic tradition. We believe every student deserves to be challenged, supported, and inspired to grow academically, spiritually, and personally as they prepare to thrive in an ever-evolving world. Our dedicated administration, faculty, and staff are united by a mission to guide students as they believe in their faith and themselves, care for others, and excel in all areas of life.
Coming to St. Philip's and James is special for several reasons. The first is that we do have smaller classroom sizes, and we get to know the individual and we get to know the parents of that individual.
As we look confidently toward the future, SSPJ continues to invest in meaningful innovation. We are proud to have expanded our stream, science, technology, religion, engineering, arts, and mathematics curriculum, and recently unveiled a state-of-the-art stream lab, providing students with hands-on learning experiences that build critical thinking, collaboration, and technological fluency, skills essential for success in the modern world.
I love the class sizes and how it really helps me grow and in my education and especially in my faith.
As a Catholic school, our ultimate goal is to form students of strong character and deep faith, young people who lead purpose-driven lives rooted in the teachings of Jesus Christ. St. Philip and James School helps students believe in God and themselves, to care about their neighbor and their world, and to excel as students and citizens of this world and His kingdom. This mission is made possible by the passion of our faculty, the generosity of our volunteers, and the support of our community. Together, we create a nurturing environment where students can flourish and are empowered to grow into compassionate citizens and future leaders who serve with integrity and conviction. We are honored to watch our students grow into exceptional young adults, ready to make a difference in the world and in God's kingdom. We invite you to become a part of the SSPJ family and to help shape the next generation of faith-filled leaders. Believe, care, and excel with us.